Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we've got the question which is based on the passage based on Olympic Games and their economic utility. The question here is, the author feels that the games place a burden on the host city for all of the following reasons except that. Two things that you've got to remember: one, it is an except question. Second thing is, this is a fact based question, right? It's asking you to confirm three of these four things will be mentioned in the passage. One reason will not be mentioned in the passage, right? So let's refer to the passage and identify the correct answers. The first option is they divert scarce urban land from more productive uses. The second option is they involve the demolition of residential structures to accommodate sports facilities and infrastructure. Third option, the finances used to fund games could be better used for other purposes. Each of these three options can be identified from the passage itself, right? Where can we find these passages? Option number one can be derived from another part of the problem is that urban land is generally scarce and growing scarcer. So this is about urban land. The new facilities stand for decades or longer, even if they are of use. Which is this the use of precious urban real estate? So this option is about this. Extract helps us derive option A. Option B is residential areas are often raised and citizens relocated without adequate preparation or compensation. Option C, there are after all other productive uses that can be made of vanishing fiscal resources. So we can see that each of these is mentioned in the passage itself, right? Your option number C, finances used could be used for better resources, other purposes. This is about vanishing fiscal resources. Demolition of residential structures, again mentioned in the passage. Option number A, scarce urban land, again mentioned in the passage. A, B, C, we found out from the passage. Option number D, the influx of visitors during the game places a huge strain on the urban infrastructure. Now, the influx of visitors during the games is not a negative actually. If you have visitors during the games, it's going to bring in tourism, it's going to bring in money. It's actually a positive. So this is not a negative for the city. This does not place a burden on the city. In fact, this brings in money for the city, and this is not mentioned in the passage. Hence, ruled out. This is the except option. This is the correct answer in the given case. Simple analysis. It's an easy question, but just requires you to go back and refer to the passage once. You do that quickly enough in the exam and you should be able to easily identify the correct answer, right? Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.